Yeah, those are some really bright headlights. Hello everybody. So today we are changing out Randall's headlights, and we're going from normal to LED. As you can see, it's not that bright, and this one blue. And I went to go look, because this is a low beam and a high beam. We went to go find out how much it is. This is $22 by itself. I got high beam, low beam, and fog lamps for $25, plus tax was 27 bucks. So yeah, well, this bulb, I'm sorry, wait, that's low beam, that's high beam, that's what it is. So okay, so a few years ago this one went out and they gave me a high beam low beam bulb, which is incorrect. So this one actually has been brighter than it should be. So yeah, so we're going to correct the problem. We're all going to have LEDs both there, and then on the fog lamps down there. Not sure if we're going to get to the fog lamps today, because that sometimes takes a little bit more work than we might have time for, but we're going to do our darndest. So we'll see you when we get started. We'll show you how to do it. Okay, so we're here, and this is what we got to do. We have to take all of this off to take this headlight out and take that headlight out. You got what is it, this one here, and that one here you have to take off, and then there's one down here underneath the plastic that you have to take off. So they make it so hard to take it out. Back in the day, you just reaching back and done. That's why I love my Corvette. 2 screws and it's done. So we're gonna start pulling these out. We got the special tools, everything we need, and then yeah, we'll show you how to do that here in a second. So to get those little tabs out, sometimes it works like that, sometimes you just stick this underneath it. The last one we did, it worked, whoops, it worked no problem. And then but once we get the front end off, we'll show you, see how that comes out. And then you get the tool right up under here. Whoops, pull that up a little bit. I can't get the tool to work. Underneath that part? Okay, there we go, and that wiggles it. Whoops. Get it, pop it up. And pop it up, and that brings the whole thing up. So that was fairly easy. So let's get the rest done. Can't do that with the camera. So we got the front end off, we took the bolts out, and now we're taking out the headlights so we can put them in. It's, yeah, not as easy as it looks, but we'll get it out when we'll show you. Got the headlight out, now we got to get this undone and the other one undone. I think that's the one. Yep, we got to get that one and the other one that's right over here, and then we will put the new bulbs in, and then we'll put it all back together. So the thing I was looking at is part of the wiring. You don't want to do that one. There's the cover here, the cover there. There's that, right? Oh yeah, they're completely different, so it looks like we're screwed. Come to find out, they sent me the right daytime running light, but they sent me the wrong high beam. So I've got to get in touch with the company to get that changed out. But we changed out the running light, which is the one that's actually burned out. So we got to get the second one done, and then we're going to work on the fog lamps, possibly. We don't know yet, so we'll see in a second. So we got the low beams only. Now we're getting the front end put back together, and then it'll be good. That's the closest we're going to get. We lost some clips and broke some, so when it's cold outside, you got to do what you got to do. And now we got to replace them. So we got it all put back together, and when I get to driving tonight, I'll show you what it looks like, or I'll show you in the driveway or something. Probably the driveway, because I don't think we're going anywhere tonight. So yeah, a lot easier than I thought. I just got to get the company so I can get the high beams changed out, and then we're good. But I might just leave them like that and sell the other ones online, because why not? And we'll do the fog lamps another time, so that'll be a separate video. So yeah, we'll see you when I show you what they look like at night. So this is what it looks like with just regular headlights. Mind you, she does have one of them burned out, but when you turn the high beams on, there you go. So yeah, you'll definitely see the difference when we get the LEDs in. So they're a lot brighter. And this is with the high beams on. Doesn't do much because they're still regular, but yeah, those are some really bright headlights. If I turn them all the way off, yeah, that's insane. So much better. So there you go. That's what it looks like with the LEDs in, and that's just the running lights with the headlights. So that's pretty cool. She'll be able to see going down the road now. So there you go. Now you know what it looks like to do the LED change on the low beams. We have to get a hold of the company that I bought them from, and they can hopefully send me the high beams that are LED also. If not, I'll look around. We'll do the fog lamps on another video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.